Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to remove a background easily using Adobe Photoshop 2021. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and most importantly to my subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my video, sharing, and then always supporting my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here a picture of Martin Odersky. He is the creator of Scala programming language. Most of the time, when we want to remove a background in Photoshop, we will use several tools here in this portion. In 2021 version of Adobe Photoshop, it is much easier. Okay, so we have here the background. It is being locked. What we will do now is to right click, duplicate layer, and then after that we will go with the properties, and then we have here quick action, remove background. Just click this button, automatically it will remove the background. Let us wait. Okay, so there is no background already. Okay, we will create here a blank. Okay. Ay, sorry. Bigger. Okay, so when I drag here, now you see there is no background already. Now it is already removed. Okay, that's it guys. That's very easy to remove a background in Photoshop 2021. Okay, so it is a quick removal of the background. So I hope that you have learned in this very short tutorial video on how to remove a background in Photoshop 2021. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this kind of video in this tutorial, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.